Hello, family. Baba the Storyteller back with, I think this is episode 13 of Baba Talks. I'm going to use this time with you for an unboxing or unpackaging. I got this in the mail from my brother in Taiwan. He's from Spain, but he lives in Taiwan. He's a musician. We met in Mali. Okay, it's complicated, but he's an excellent musician. And recently, he's partnered with a young woman, his wife. They married a year ago, named Kuan. The two of them together have become a force to be reckoned with in the music world. And he sent me this. This is from his new project, and I want to open it now in front of you guys. I'm kind of excited about this because his level of artistry keeps growing and growing and growing. So let's see what he's got in here. I am excited about this. Okay, to get in here, get through this. Oh, it's beautiful packaging. It's almost like a luminescent. Wow. Beautiful. Arcaron. This is his and Kuan Yin's new latest release. Bajo dos lunas, under two moons. Let me show this to you. If you get a look at this, let me move all this junk out of the way so you can get a good look at this. So it's a box set. I haven't opened it yet because you're with me. You see what I'm doing. I love the design. It's almost luminescent, like on the back. Let me show you the back. I don't know if the light will dance off of it like it's doing for me, but on the back you can see two moons, those lunas, and a choir player in the middle, that's Yerko, and it looks like constellations or the universe is surrounding them. I love this design. It has 15 songs on it. That's really old school. That's the way we used to do albums back in the day. And there's a lot of descriptions. I'm going to keep unboxing. I'm fawning over the design of this. So let's open this and see what it is. So this part comes up. So you have this part of the box here. And underneath, what was underneath is The Rise of a Myth, El Origen de un Mito, the book that was underneath. This is incredible. You can tell a lot of work was put into this. On the back, it's got the Taiwanese wording and Arcaron. I imagine that is what it means. And the serpent swallowing its own tail, mythology, maybe not everyone knows what that is, but you can look it up, Google it. But this is an excellent presentation. And inside, there are a couple of cards with QR codes on the back. I have no idea what they're for, but I'm going to find out. And, nice surprise for me. This is an image that Yerko and Kuan Yin created some years ago, and I've always thought it was the most beautiful image. It's an image of them together, back to back, in traditional attire. And you can see the instruments. You can see Yerko on this side, Kuan Yin on that side. I shouldn't have to point that out, but that's what that is. And fantasy, new, ancient music. QR codes here also, as well as, showing it's advertising for them. They do weddings, festivals, university education, and concerts. Yerkolorca.com. I'll put that so that everyone can see it, www.yerkolorca.com. So apparently his site is in English, Spanish, and Taiwanese. But I have not opened this yet, and I should get to, oh, wow, every step of this is incredible. So inside, here's the CD, is on the inside, with this writing on the inside. And this book, how is this bound? Oh, this is going to keep me busy for a while. We have 3 translations here of the stories and the music. He's dealing with mythology here. Let's just take a quick look. So if you're not going to be able to see in the inside, but in the beginning it's Taiwanese. You see the Taiwanese on the inside. And then it skips over here to the twilight of a new age. Let me go to the first page of this. Arcaron, the rise of a myth. So that comes into the English from the Taiwanese. And then I imagine Spanish, because Yerko is from Spain, so I imagine that the next piece will be in Spanish. Let's see. Ah, yeah. Arcaron, el origen de un mito. Incredible. This is my first time seeing it. I have not read through this. I would love to tell you guys what it's all about, but I tell you what, get your own copy. Once again, I'm going to put the website here so that you can connect with it. Yerko. Let me see. Yeah, www.yerkolokra.com. I'll put it here. So this is episode 13 of Baba Talks, and I'm going to do a lot more of these. Going into 2020, I promise to communicate more with you guys. So thank you for tuning in, and as I always say when we tune out, Doni Doni Kononi Beyagada.